Hello friends, today is day 19 of magical practices, magic footsteps. Albert Einstein had said 100 times every day I remind myself that my inner and outer life is dependent on the labor of other men, living or dead, and I must exert myself in the same measure to give back what I have received and am still receiving. With these words, Einstein gave us a gift of his scientific discoveries, and he has also given us a secret to his success: gratitude every day. Today's magical practice is because of the inspiration we got from Albert Einstein, saying thank you 100 times in a day. By saying thank you 100 times, we have to take the magic footsteps 100 times. Well, you might not believe that taking magic footsteps can bring a success to our life, but when you do it consistently, it will have a positive impact in your life. You have to do it and feel it. In today's magical practice, you have to take your one footstep up, and as it touches the ground, you have to say thank you and feel as grateful as you can. And as you lift your other foot and touch the ground, say thank you. One foot thank you, next foot thank you, and continue the magic words thank you as you take the magic footsteps. God has given everyone 86,400 seconds daily. And how many of it have we used to say thank you? Let's think about it. You can do this magical practice anywhere at any time. Where you're in the house, going from one room to another. If you're in the office, you're going out for lunch or coffee, or you're going to meet a client, or you're going to catch a bus or train or cab, you can take your footsteps, magic footsteps, and in the mind you go on saying thank you. You can also do this magical practice when you're going out for an important event in your life, like you're going for giving an exam or for a job interview or meeting a client or going to the bank, or you're going for an audition, or anything while you're jogging, or while you're going from one block to another, while you're moving to the airport terminals. You can say thank you and do this magical practice anytime, anywhere during the day. If you notice, before you begin this practice, like how you're feeling, it will make a lot of difference after you finish this 100 magical footsteps by saying the magic words thank you. If you're feeling low, by doing this magic footsteps, you'll be feeling better. And if you're feeling great, this magic footsteps will lift your spirits high. For doing this magical practices of taking the 100 magic footsteps, you can keep approximately 90 seconds, because that is the average time a person can take 100 footsteps at a leisurely pace. You can do it anywhere, and while doing this practice, you don't have to think on counting the number of times you are doing this, but more is you feel how you are saying the magic words thank you by taking each footstep. The number does not matter, but think taking the 100 times is exactly after which you will feel better. So after you completed today's magical practice, you have said 100 times thank you by taking the magic footsteps. In your whole life, do you remember how many times you had said thank you 100 times? Well, no. Einstein did it every day. So from today, we are going to do it like Einstein, saying thank you 100 times in a day. And remember our day 1 practice, count your blessings. You write down your 10 blessings, why you're grateful for it, and when you read each sentence, you have to say thank you, thank you, thank you for the blessing and feel as grateful as you can for these blessings. Before going to sleep, you have to take the magic rock in your hand or just close your fingers and say thank you for the best thing that has happened today. For staying with me for so long, thank you, thank you, thank you.